Moto Morini X-Cape 650. Review free revving parallel twin engine. The middleweight adventure market is hotting up with Yamaha, Aprilia and Triumph all fighting for the biggest slice of the pie, and yet the Moto Morini X-Cape 650 should not be ignored. The X-Cape is capable, practical, and pleasing. It is somewhat basic, with no riding modes, and it is also a little on the heavy side, but it's a welcome £4,000 cheaper than Aprilia's Tuareg 660 and £1,500 less than Triumph's Tiger 660 Sport. Many will be happy to have fewer bells and whistles, but more cash left in their pocket. But with a fully adjustable Marzocchi front end, Brembo brakes, Bosch ABS and Pirelli tires as standard, there's still a lot to like. The Moto Morini is comfortable, boasts a decent build quality and certainly stands out from the crowd. And all for under £7,000. Ride quality and brakes. Where the Moto Morini X-Cape immediately stands out is when you climb aboard. Even with the taller of the two seat options, 845mm or 820mm, you feel yourself nestling into the bike in a way that makes you feel at one with it, and it's very well balanced. This means the weight isn't really an issue, even on gravel tracks or light trails. It's slim and narrow just where it matters, making this a twin that thinks it's a single in terms of its agile handling, and its carefully designed seat and flanks make it easy to ride standing up on the pegs. Engine. Though the Euro 5-friendly 649 cubic centimeters, 59 brake horsepower parallel twin engine needs to be revved for brisk progress, there's a decent spread of torque. It's also made by Morini's Chinese neighbors CF Moto and acts as a stressed member in a robust-looking tubular steel frame. The X-Cape pulls strongly from 2000 RPM in 6th gear with smooth fueling and zero transmission snatch. Reliability and build quality. Moto Morini don't have much of a presence in the UK. At the time of writing there are just 3 dealers, which could make servicing a bind, and none of them are carrying stock yet, although the bikes are due before long. The X-Cape is also entering a challenging part of the market, up against some of Britain's best-selling bikes where the competition is fierce and proven. Value versus rivals. Don't be put off by the slightly daft name. With decent build quality and distinctive design, the new Moto Morini is a pleasing and practical machine. It's reasonable value, too. Coming in at £6,995, the Morini is £2,500 cheaper than the best-selling middleweight adventure bike, Yamaha's Tenere 700, and £1,500 below Triumph's also new Tiger 660 Sport. It's a bit like finding premium lager in that bargain bin aisle at Aldi. Equipment. Despite the sub-£7,000 price tag, the X-Cape boasts an impressive spec. The 7" full-color TFT dash gives the bike a touch of modern class, while the tapered handlebars mounted on 60mm risers provide a commanding riding position. What's more, the dash supports Bluetooth connectivity to your phone, and there's a dual USB port for charging on the go, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The screen is adjustable too and can be altered one-handed over its 15mm range. Elsewhere, the aluminium swing arm works on a direct-action cantilever KYB monoshock. The unit is adjustable for spring preload and rebound damping. There's 135mm of rear-wheel travel,